Today I'll be discussing card making basics, specifically where to buy your supplies. There are many simple supplies that you might have lying around your own home, such as basic construction paper, which offers a great variety of color and also is very sturdy, which is an important factor in selecting paper to make cards with, because you don't want your paper to be so flimsy that it cannot withstand the various drawing, cutting, and gluing that you'll be doing to make your card. This can be found at many basic stores such as a Walmart or Target, which may not specialize in art supplies but has a fairly decent supply of art and craft items. You can also use basic sketching paper, which absorbs color well and is also fairly sturdy for making cards. This can be found at many basic art stores such as a Hobby Lobby or even a basic store such as a Walmart. This is a more fancy paper which already has designs printed on it. As you can see, I have already used it for certain arts and crafts items and have cut out some of it, which can be used for other projects later on. This will be found in certain aisles of specialty arts and crafts stores such as the Hobby Lobby, which are treasure troves of items to make cards out of. These stores, which specialize in arts and crafts, are also great for finding the special items such as stickers to decorate your cards with. As we discussed before, these are often very important in tailoring your card to its special event that you're making it for. So many of these items I've purchased from specialty craft stores, which are always the best place to go for buying your supplies when you're going to make a card.